keto chicken stir fry. Of course, we have chicken back there in the back. You can see those are boneless thigh strips already cut. I like to keep things quick and simple. Over here we have cabbage. There's some green onion, regular brown onion in the back, some Aloha soy sauce, mushrooms, red pepper. We have some mirin, which is a sweet cooking wine, rice vinegar. There's some squeezed ginger, sesame oil, and back there in the back, whoop, lost you there, huh? Back there in the back is some chopped garlic. So I said this is the quick and easy way. This is the way we're going to get it done in about 10-15 minutes. Just a little side note here, I'm going to be making these shirataki noodles to go along with the stir fry. And I found that when you first open them up, they stink. So the best thing to do is to soak them in some flavorful liquids to have them ready when you're ready to use them. So I add some soy sauce, a little sesame oil, some rice wine vinegar, and some ginger. Ooh, that's a lot of ginger. These some gingery noodles. So I'm just going to mix that up, and that will help to kill that smell and make these some tasty noodles to go with our stir fry. And now that the chicken is done, we're going to remove it from the fire and get to work on our vegetables. All right, let's start off with some onions. That's one, I guess, medium-sized onion, cut into slivers. I don't like to do fine chops. I want to see my vegetables. We're going to let those cook down a little bit and we'll move on from there. I'm going to add a nice big plop of minced garlic. And a squeeze of ginger. Let's give that a stir. Let's add in some of our other goodies, like mushrooms and some red pepper. Love those red peppers. Well, they can go in there. It's going in there too in a minute anyway. Just want to let these cook up a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to add in our cabbage. About a half a head of cabbage. Saute that all in there. Get some more cabbage. It's going to cook down. So. Let's get that cabbage mixed all in. And now that that's cooked down some, let's add our chicken back in. Yummity yums. Now it's time to flavor this up. Let's start with some soy sauce. Add some sesame oil. Black pepper. Whoops, knocking stuff over. Some mirin. That's a sweet rice wine. And a little rice vinegar. Already got all that good garlic and ginger in there. Gonna give that a stir. And as you can see, it is starting to look beautiful. And just to give it a little extra flavor, you don't have to do this, but I like to because I'm extra. They're gonna give it a little, just a touch of some bone broth. And now that all the flavors have gotten together, final thing is to add in our noodles. Noodles! It's the shirataki noodles. Low carb noodles. Just gonna toss those in. By the time you get them mixed in good, ooh, they'll be hot and ready to go. All right, now that got this all done, let's give it a taste. Okay, I like that. I can really taste the garlic and the ginger. The meat is tender. The veggies taste extra fresh and crisp still. Didn't overcook them. This is a good meal, a good keto meal. Anybody can make it. Very low carb and tasty. Oh, the chili oil just kicked in. That's good stuff. Thanks again for stopping in here and hanging out with me, Big Mister here at the Keto Grill. Appreciate you every time you come in, and I hope you come back often. Be sure and give us a like down there at the bottom and hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Notification bell is right next to it, so you might as well hit that too so you get notified every time we put out a new video. Thanks again, and we will see you soon here at the Keto Grill.